Social Cluster Committee debate a law that protects and develops the Sotho language. This organization is said it does to promote the use of both written and spoken language.
Lekgotla la Sesotho chairperson Mr. Moabi explained that it has been a long time since Basotho have been ashamed to say some Sesotho words, as they say they lack respect. He said it is time for the nation to inspect itself in the Sesotho language for the growth of this language. It is going to be very easy. What makes it difficult is because we assume that when we say we communicate in Sesotho, we are going to name or call things the way we want, while we really have to say them the way they are in Sesotho language. A member of Social Cluster Committee, Mrs. Malelaka Malakani, noted that Basotho should allow themselves to enjoy this language by using it in their everyday lives. She also said it is the responsibility of parents to help children to communicate in Sesotho. What do we say with our children? Our kids do not speak Sesotho. They really do not speak Sesotho language, and we have accepted that as parents. We are not helping them. Even in our homes, they communicate in English. They attend schools which communicate in English language, and that is not a problem. A member of Social Cluster Committee, Mr. Ramaketsi Sihlabaka, said, there is no language that Basotho cannot translate into Sesotho. He urged Basotho to accept changes for the sake of growth. I wish we could have a political will which drives societal issues. With great leaders, this can happen. We can end this month having all things done, because all we need to do is to have budget and have relevant people to sort out this issue. The organization further says it is determined to spread and elevate the Sesotho language and culture. Dinoma Bekebeke, reporting for LTV News, Maseru.